Here's a part 2 to the other video with the sign, the devastation that. This is what they do. Cash crop. So deer and other species aren't allowed to be in this forest because they damage the trees. And then look, here's the cash crop. And this is what they do. Kill all the wildlife, all the deer. That's why you don't see deer in forests anymore. Because they kill them all off. Because it damages the cash crop, which is these, pine. And there you go. That's humans for you. This is how mucked up society is, mucked up the world is. We need to change drastically, immediately. Mature trees that